Hello everyone, in this video we will do the daily current affairs analysis of 22nd January 2022. So the first topic which we will discuss is the details of the EWS quota. So the 103rd constitutional amendment extended the 10% reservation in direct government recruitment and admission to higher educational institutions to economically inferior parts of all castes and communities, including Christians and Muslims who were previously ineligible under existing quotas. So the eligibility conditions are: household's annual income is less than 8 lakh, land for agriculture is less than 5 acre, a house with a floor area of less than 1000 square feet in a notified municipality, residential plot of less than 100 square yards in an area where the municipality has not been notified, a residential plot of less than 200 yards is permitted. So what would be required for the quota to be implemented? Changes would need to be made in Article 15, Article 16 of the Constitution. The amendment must be ratified by at least two-thirds of the members present and voting in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, as well as by the legislatures of at least half of the states. Implications: the 10% allocation would be added to the existing reservation cap of 50%. So this is in addition to the Constitution's obligation of 50%, necessitating the necessity for a constitutional amendment bill. Indra Sahni's case of the Supreme Court in 1992, a 9-judge Supreme Court Constitution bench particularly examined the question of whether backward classes can be recognized entirely and exclusively with reference to the economic criterion. In its ruling, the court proclaimed a 50% quota to be the rule unless unusual circumstances inherent in the great diversity of this country and its people occur. Source of this news is The Hindu. Next is about the Central Bureau of Investigation. So it is India's top investigative agency. It was formed under the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1967. It is overseen by the Department of Personnel, Ministry of Personnel, Pensions and Public Grievances, Government of India, which is part of the Prime Minister's office. So it has a conviction rate of 65 to 70%, which puts it on par with the greatest investigation organizations in the world. CBI is in charge of a number of cases including anti-corruption crimes, economic crimes, special crimes, suo motu cases. The Supreme Court and High Courts, on the other hand, have the authority to direct the CBI to investigate a crime anywhere in the country without the permission of the government. The source of this news is The Hindu. Next is about the Special Protection Group. So last year, the Special Protection Group Amendment Bill 2019 was recently passed by Parliament. The 1988 SPG Act will be amended by the SPG Bill. The proposed revisions to the Special Protection Group Bill are intended to lower the state's financial burden of VIP protection. The diminution in SPG coverage will also help to dispel the perception that it is a status symbol. About SPG, in 1985, the SPG was formed to provide security for the Prime Minister, former Prime Ministers and their immediate families. Personnel from the CRPF, Border Security Force and other central and state forces make up the SPG. Amendments reduced SPG coverage. The Prime Minister, former Prime Ministers and their immediate family members are currently covered by security. After the past Prime Ministers and their immediate families leave office, protection will be provided for only 5 years. However, the former Prime Minister's immediate family must live with him in the designated property. Withdrawal: when a previous Prime Minister's proximate security is revoked, proximate security is likewise to be revoked for members of his immediate family. The source of this news is The Hindu. Next topic in news is about the basic nations. So it is a prelim specific topic. So the basic group was formed as a result of an agreement signed by the 4 countries on November 28, 2009. They are a group of 4 major developing countries: Brazil, South Africa, India and China. This emerging world alliance, founded and led by China, then formed the final Copenhagen Agreement with the United States. Next, the group works to define a common position on pollution reduction and climate change funding, as well as to trying to persuade other countries to sign the Copenhagen Agreement. Source of this news is The Hindu. So, thanks a lot for watching the analysis video. Have a nice day.